Put it on a plate and I'll give it to Buddy.
What are you doing, Stace? Come here. Don't step on the bush. It's almost buried. See that bush? Look. It's almost buried, ain't it?
Chad, why don't y'all come on in now? Why don't y'all come on in and dry off a little bit? Me, bud. Me, buddy.
Hey, Daddy, G.
Steffi, get in here before you get sick.
I gotta go get my hat in the front yard.
Call Buddy.
Hey, Bud! He won't come to us. We were wrestling because he pushed Chad down the hill. It's hard to get up.
Come on, Stace, you can make it.
Hold on to the tree like you said.
Me, bud.
Here, Daddy!
Steffi, look at you.
I know.
Chad, you might have to throw her a rope.
I'll give him my hand. Hold on to the tree. You got up there before. Here, Stace. It's just that Daddy has it on camera and you don't want anybody to see that you can get off the hill. And they don't give you gloves on your wrist. Come on, here, Daddy.
Come on, Stace.
I'll fall down with you. I forgot to pull me down. Now I can get up. Grab on to, I caught it with my bare hand. That was fun.
Alright, because I had my things over.
Oh, I can take these off too. That's underneath. I forgot.
Hang your clothes over that weight bench right there. Keep them away from the heater.
Daddy, look at all the snow over here. My hair's wet.
Get your stuff in the gloves, Stace. Get your gloves over there.
Ow, that hurt. Mama, my hair's frozen.
But I kept my sweatpants on. That your hair's froze.
I know.
Daddy, stop.
Oh, man. Look at this. You guys can't leave all that snow in here.
What are we going to do with
I don't know. Get a broom. Something.
Daddy, stop. Want me to do it again?
Now it's like a blizzard. Yeah. Now it's up past Stacy's legs almost. Ooh, it's like a blizzard.
use that.
You can't eat just a hot dog.
I just want a hot dog.
You want a green bean?
No.
Don't film me, Alan. I ain't dressed. Go away. Go away, Alan. Go. Hang on. Are them boys gonna eat the soup or not? Tell Daddy what you think of that snow, Stace.
I don't like it.
Why?
There's Daddy look at you.
Tell him to turn it away from Mama.
No.
Stacy, you want some pork and beans with this?
No.
What do you want? You need to eat something else.
Kid,
Just a hot dog ain't enough.
I want some corn.
Some corn? What kind of corn?
Can I have some green beans?
Careful. You want some green beans?
Green beans. I didn't like it. What do you think of it, Daddy? What do you,
How about... Sassy, why don't you eat some soup? That's for you. There.
thank you.
Winter storm coverage on the hour, every hour.
Where's my candy bars at, Alan?
We took the whole house to the
Alan?
I know where.
candy shells again. New M&M's almond
Mom, I know where 'cause I hide them.
Alan, where's my candy bars?
I know where 'cause I hide them, Mama.
Somebody's up in there.
They went to the bank, I think. Holy cow.
You can't see.
You have to open the window.
I want to get Daddy when he comes back in. Where's Daddy at, Stace?
There he is.
Here he comes. He cracks me up. Watch it. He had to go outside and get some. Look at me, Al.
Daddy, look. Look at
Did
Mom.
you get it, Al? Huh?
Dad, did you get it?
Get me off that camera.
Why? I should have got you the first time. It was funnier.
He fell off the door.
Is it bad out, Al?
Don't touch it. Stick.
If you're like me and use bladder control protection,
Down, Alan.
Johnson & Johnson has some great news for you. Free samples of new Serenity for dry. Serenity guards now have a new blue layer that pulls in
Here's our
quicker and holds
battery powered TV. That's a lawnmower battery.
1-800-342-3800.
There's Sheila. She hadn't had a shower in 3.5 days. She really thinks, too. Look at her. Ooh, looking rough there. Hey, come here. You need to go over there in that tree and get that hat. It's been there for 2 days.
you or someone you love, call
Go back deck. I don't have any.
1-800-635-1022.
Here's our stove. There's a little path that we dug. Trying to get out of the house.
To the left.
Do what?
To the left.
What?
Slide glass door.
What about it?
Go look.
What is it?
That's where I put your beer.
And that was very, very hard.
That's your refrigerator.
Our refrigerator. Oh, there it is. I believe I'll have me one of them beers. Cold. This is our toilet water, flushing water.
Yeah, we're really roughing it.
You want me to show them a toilet?
I don't think so.
No, I just flushed them.
I will not reveal the secret of your decency. Am I still on this now?
Just laid another egg. Trying to get them to sing for you. They stop when you get near them. There he goes. What are you gonna do?
Find them up here.
Ah! I went.
Daddy, I found a place that you can really stick him on.
There's Banjo. Staci don't like Banjo, Daddy.
They ain't gonna come near us.
Bango!
Buddy's been a bad boy.
Bango! Bango! Hey, Bango! Hey, doggy!
Whoa, I'm gonna fall in this steep stuff. Steph, where you guys going?
Chad's going inside.
Daddy's getting ready to build a snowman.
Chad, Daddy's going to snowman.
Come on, you wanna help him? Shut that door.
Chad's in there.
Go show me. She's gonna show us how deep it is.
It's a chore, this to drive the flat back.
It ain't deep no more? Huh?
That's my knees.
It is, ain't it?
You, Bango!
Is that all snow, Steffi?
Whoa!
My goodness. Walk out of there.
Is that deep?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! It's hard to walk on top of. Mama, look at Biddy!
Yeah.
That's how Biddy died.
Alright, this is the beginning of the snowman. See Alan's best view there, Al.
Huh?
There it is.
It ain't ready to be snowman yet.
It ain't what?
It ain't ready enough.
Too hard.
Hush, buddy.
You need to wait till in the morning.
Really? What's wrong with it? Don't, Steffi.
It's got ice on top.
Already?
Yeah. Let's make one tomorrow, Steph.
No!
You'll make me drop the camera. Is that what you want? Steffi, don't throw them at me.
Yeah, we'll have to make one in the morning. morning, Steph or Stace, when it starts to melt a little
Steffi,
bit.
get away from the car.
It's got ice on top.
What's this pay out here, Daddy?
Up, he sees Banjo.
See how the snow drifted up to the
Daddy?
top of the porch
there's
almost.
just
That's where they
some.
shoveled some, but it drifted all the way up. Not gonna give up?
No, it ain't. It ain't good snow to make a snowman yet.
Yes, no, no.
It's wet. Here we go. Daddy, I want to fly behind you. Want to fly behind? Go, come on, now clap for him. Let's fucking come. Fucking come. Here it comes. Ew. I couldn't see a fish coming back. We can go in that city. That back dog up there don't hold you, does he, Daddy?
Who?
That back dog up there don't hold you, does he?
Does he?
Uh-uh. That box down there when we get up the stove. Daddy, stop.
What black dog?
What?
What black dog? Sheba?
Uh-huh.
Sheba?
Uh-huh. Kiva. Go upstairs, go. Go upstairs.
See it?
Yeah, that's good. Now you see it? Yeah, I see it! I hate bingo. Yeah. We hate him, don't we?
Stacy, sit down.
Yeah. You're gonna fall out. It's gonna fall out again if you don't block it.
Here we are on our first day out. Think we'll make it?
Take a picture of that house over there, Mama. That looks pretty.
I know I feel there's snow on it. Got snow on it. You gotta take a bath. We just put it. We only got one house.
Got one lane all the way, I guess, huh? Ooh, that's a good place to sled, John.
Yeah, they slide all the way down through there.
Have to get some of them sled things. This looks pretty scary.
Why are you
see the power line down up here, Al? Is it still down?
A couple of them down.
It goes pretty good in it.
Yeah, it does alright.
Big curve. Sounds pretty wet. Supposed to warm up. So what, about 40 today? Uh-oh, there's somebody stuck.
Must have pulled over there.
Yeah, it's buried, isn't it? Jeff said there's one up here dangling, burning the telephone, or burning the pole.
Looks like a telephone line more than a power line.
Where's that at?
They're on the left. On the left's the one I'm talking about.
Where? Ooh, it is.
Still
Still smoking,
I
yeah.
didn't see that one.
See where it burned the telephone pole?
Darn, that whole telephone pole's burnt. I can't believe that.
Surprised they're just leaving it like that, too.
Oh, there's where another tree fell. It's falling all down in there.
So this is telephone line right here, I believe.
Where?
Dangling over here.
Yeah, the line's there.
Don't go in there. That's what it's saying. That's what Santa Claus is.
Another tree down. Man, this was a mess, I bet, that first day. You couldn't get through it, impassable. Look, got stuck over there, looks like. Probably been in school all week. Well, today's Tuesday, isn't it, Alan?
Great.
I'll read away from me. Wow. Bang. Whoa. Bang.
That's as close as we get. I missed it.
Get it on my back.
Look at that tree. Fell on a house. Is there another one over here, John? I thought there was one over here. See the mountains far off. I see snow. You can see 'em. Big zoom on 'em. It's a river ridge.
Don't move around so quick.
See the mountains? I don't even know if McDonald's is open.
Al?
Yeah.
You gotta wait just a minute. I gotta go back and get. I forgot Stacy's surprise. I'll be right back.
There's where that tree fell on that house. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Tore the whole front of it down.
How about a couple of these?
Alan.
Yeah.
is that? What is that, Stacy? Huh?
I tell ya.
Stand over there next to it. What is it? Whoop.
What? Get up.
What is it? Huh?
Ow.
The big snow bunny, isn't it?
Yeah.
He needs some arms.
Mr. Snow Bunny number 2.
Hey, let's take these off. The neighbors will think we're pre-birded.
Pre-birded?
Pre-birded. How's that?
What do you think, Stace?
Is it done?
Yeah.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I quit.
Now it's just play out here. Whoa.
Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa
Where?
in the camera. Say hi. Say it. We're going to send them this film. Tell them hi.
Hi.
Anybody else you want to say hi to?
Who else is in Michigan?
Mickey and Kelly.
Who?
Mickey and Kelly.
Mickey.
Mickey and Kelly.
Nikki.
You want to say hi to them?
Uh-huh.
Well, say hi.
Hi.
What about Aunt Sin and Uncle Bud? Huh?
Hi.
Hi who?
I can see Michael Bud.
Uncle Sin and Uncle Bud?
Say we'll see you soon. Well,
I won't do butters anymore.
Ford Ranger, the #1 selling
Yeah.
Outback, just got better. This 93's got a brand new exterior, a brand new interior, and no pickup beats it for gas.
Want me to book you guys here?
Comes loaded with air,
Where's their hair?
sliding rear window, and
Want me to book your hair, Daddy?
no, brush your baby's hair.
Okay, I got 2 buckets.
not for 60, 48, or 36 months, but you're
Brush your baby's hair.
that means you can drive new every 2 years. Remember, Lisa,
How do you do this?
I don't know.
4 months after.
Booze. What we both used to feed me with them.
Feed your baby.
We used to feed me with them.
Yeah, I used to, didn't I? But now you can have them for your babies.
I'm gonna eat them with supper.
Ooh, look. Sit down. I want to see this.
The way
What was
the
he doing that
trees
was
are
bad?
destroyed in this area,
He
you'd
was-
think a tornado came through here instead of a snowstorm.
He was what?
The
Don't
trees
put that
are
old stuff on. It
twisted and
stinks.
snapped off in midair,
Stacy,
splintered like toothpicks.
do you like the smell of that?
Yeah.
Some
Why?
people Dodge and others are busy cutting those trees
Why?
off their homes. Dodge has no power,
I think it
water, or
stinks.
funds, but she's more
Turn
worried
that light
about
on
her
for me.
neighbors. We have very
Whoops.
But members of the group say they'll continue.
30 minutes.
No, leave it on.
It's hard.
Now it's time to go to bed.
No, it ain't. You don't want to go to bed, do you?
No, not me. It's just a pretending.
Last night,
Just pretending.
expecting a crowd tonight.
Oh, my
Not
baby's
only is one of the
crying.
shelters spreading,
Save my babies. Daddy!
Now leave the lights on.
Don't shut that off because I can't take pictures.
Oh.
Now, once again, a curfew is in
Now turn that light on.
Police warn people to stay off the streets from 8
Turn it on.
to 8 in the morning. Police say they will
No, no,
Don't
no,
shut
no.
it off. I can't take pictures.
dispatchers had sent a deputy to protect a Duke Power
You
crew.
stink.
Sheriff
Don't
said
off.
they were upset over the
Turn it
outages
on. There you
harassing Duke
go.
workers. Well, other than the power outages, rather
Now, get your babies and fix them like you were doing.
93 is going
Hey, I
well.
think we
Main
just
Street
put my babies
residents said
out.
snow still covers the parking spaces. Business owners along the street are repairing damage
Dad
from the
can
snow.
stand
They're
up.
also counting.
There.
What are those?
Have you ever had chicken that looks like this?
Raisins.
Or if you
What are
had
their
chicken
names?
that
Turn
looks
our
like
TV
this?
down.
You may
His name is Pokey,
Pokey.
Golly,
Sorry? Who's that?
his name is Dewey.
Dewey? Okay.
And his name is
What's his name? Is it a he or a she? Can't you tell?
I can tell, but I'm just thinking about it.
Okay.
Pootie.
Pootie? Why is it called Pootie? Cause why?
You know what the daddy's name is?
What?
Pootie.
Pootie what?
Pootie Staci.
Oh, that's a long name. Say that again? What's the mama's name?
Pootie.
Oh, okay. What's the other one's name?
This.
Mm-hmm. Do you remember?
Pootie.
Okay.
What's wrong?
What are you doing, Stace? Was it gonna work now? We people. What are you talking about?
We people.
Where'd you hear that at?
Christy told it to me. I don't know what I got it though.
What did she say? What's she talking about?
She said, that was me people. Me people. Our people. We people.
We people.
We get cozy, Rosie.
Where's Daddy's flashlight you fixed?
Huh?
Where's Daddy's flashlight?
It don't work now. They big fat guys.
Big flashlight.
Big.
Big what?
Big fat guys.
You mean a big battery?
Yeah.